Samidoh nĩarĩkĩtie kumbũra ndeto cia Yatiga Mafans ake maihũirwo nĩ kĩeha na onake agĩkiumbũra onake he is not happy to be sharing this news na he actually regrets atĩ nĩguo gwathiĩ na Mafans ake nĩmaingĩra nenda-inĩ yake na ũkĩmwĩra they feel so disappointed nĩ ndeto ici akorwo akiumbũra. Samidoh taking to his Facebook page nĩakorwo agĩtarĩria atĩ unfortunately hena event kana show arabangĩte nene mũno mwena wa Kitale Mugithi show, Samidoh Mugithi show, but unfortunately he is sad to announce atĩ it will not be happening, it has been cancelled or rather rescheduled, na agĩkiuga atĩ for now no gweterera megũthiĩ na mbere gweterera until it will be confirmed on a later date, na akĩhoya ũrekeri na understanding from his fans. Agĩkiuga we regret to inform you that due to unforeseen circumstances our Kitale Mugithi show this Saturday has been rescheduled. Your understanding means the world to us. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. And of course mashabiki na mafans ake arĩa aingĩ ao maubũrĩte atĩ they were really looking forward to this show, na agĩona magĩkiumbũra atĩ they even had to travel magĩkĩone Samidoh na attend show yake. Nĩmakorwo makĩonania kĩeha kĩao na disappointment yao na magĩakia na gwakana mwaki mũno in the comment section after what Samidoh has sadly revealed to them. Na ũmwe wao arĩ Chumba akiuga no thamweri, the way I had prepared for this nake Cornelius Rono akauga seriously Sam, hope you're planning to come soon. Nake Cynthia Cherono akauga na vile tulikuwa tumengoja. Nake Skita akauga Samidoh vile nilikuwa nimekungoja haki nimefeel turn off, nunua nyama ya pole. Aingĩ makĩonania kĩeha kĩao, but Samidoh akĩmera he deeply regrets that it has to be this way, but unfortunately he is cancelling the show, the Mugithi show scheduled for this Saturday, na nĩagũkorwo akĩtarĩria arũmĩrĩri ake further on when he will be hosting the show, but for now it is rescheduled. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.